Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Daisy. In this video I will show you step-by-step watercolor painting process. Now we will draw delicate jasmine flowers with watercolors. So grab your brushes and let's get started. Painting with watercolors is a beautiful and delicate art form involves applying pigment to wet paper. I let the paint spread randomly on wet paper. I draw thin and light petals with strokes of paint. Step by step I add colors to the drawing. Please share this video with a friend as it will aid in the growth of my channel. When the paint lies down and the paper dries, this will be the first layer of the drawing. When the drawings dry, the colors will become paler, as the paper absorbs water with paint. Subtle details we can depict after the drawing dries a little, and we will continue. I want to add details and darken some parts of the picture. Please share this video with a friend as it will aid in the growth of my channel. Please write any comment to this video if you like my drawing. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Hope to see you soon on my new tutorials.